pleased to see you again. There you go. Thank you very much. So kind. Beautiful.
Opposite traditionalists, you know, easily something Scott.